So what is proper documentation? What is documentation? What is IT documentation? So documentation is essentially that as IT problem issues with systems arise, that there is a strategic process for documenting, noting the issue, noting the troubleshooting, what the issues were, and the steps taken to solve the problem. It's done specifically and targeted in a way that can essentially be provided as notes on the issue within a knowledge base, within another platform that are similar to that issue. And the notes essentially help people review methods that were used, historical updates that were made to a system. It's a really important process to help not only people when you're onboarding to understand the types of issues you might encounter, but also to be able to review in the future as similar issues arise. And it's also a historical. It's also a way of creating a historical record of the type of work you're doing, issues that arise while you're working with the technology, to also document your methodology of learning the tools and improving your processes, which is at the end of the day, a very big part of IT is improving your processes, based on your understandings and, improving every day, what you're working on, how you're working on it, and, finding solutions that help. So I do think it's important that you understand what documentation is, why it's important, what it provides for the organization, what it can provide for you, and also to be patient with yourself. Also be patient with yourself as you start to provide and create documentation on topics that you may not always have the solution right away when you begin documenting something, but through the process of identifying the problem, through identifying the issue, and then taking an attempt to document it, it's going to help you be more thoughtful about your process.